Okay, Mr. Tharoor, talk about your agenda for the visit.
Well,
to
you know,
Brazil.
we are on a 5-country visit. We've done 3 countries already, Guyana, Panama and Colombia. And we are now in Brazil, though Sunday, it's now 1 a.m. on Sunday as we've landed, is actually a day of rest, which I think the team has earned after a fairly hectic program since we left. We then have meetings in Brazil all day, and then we proceed to Washington, which will be the final leg of our journey.
So you are already visiting many countries, so how is the feedback?
Feedback has been very positive in both Guyana and Panama, which are Security Council members. There was tremendous understanding and support for our mission and expressions of solidarity for our fight against terror. In Colombia, there had unfortunately been a statement issued during Operation Sindhu, which actually condoled the Pakistani victims rather than saying anything about India. So we had that rectified. We met with the government, and I'm very pleased to say that they have withdrawn that statement, and instead they have issued something very positive and supportive, both from the government and even more strongly from the Parliament, where we met both the equivalent of the Lok Sabha Speaker and the chairman of the Foreign Relations Committee, second committee as they call it. So on the whole, we've had some very good results. My team has been fully participating in everything. We are all equal participants in this venture. And here in Brazil, we're looking forward to having some very solid, constructive discussions. Brazil is a major power in the region. It's a BRICS partner of ours. We've elevated our relationship to a strategic partnership going back to 2006. So it's a country that really matters to us. And though they're not currently on the Security Council, we felt keeping them fully abreast of our position and continuing to keep the dialogue channels open is very important for us.
So what comments on the criticism going on in India, and many questions raised by Congress as well?
Look, I mean, I think this is a time now for us to focus on our mission. Undoubtedly, in a thriving democracy, there are bound to be comments and criticisms, but I think at this point, we can't afford to dwell on them. When we get back to India, no doubt we'll have our chance to speak to our colleagues, speak to our critics, speak to the media there. But right now, we're focused on the countries we're coming to and getting the message out to the people here.
Thank you so much.